Celebrate Earth Day the FoodRight way. This Earth Day, we're asking for donations of Ollas and the supplies to make them. Our goal is to implement this ancient watering technique that makes any garden more independent and efficient. It saves on water and time, which is important to consider when planting and maintaining school gardens. How can you help? Consider donating gently used or new Ollas, unglazed terracotta pots, saucers, silicone, or a $10 donation, which covers the supplies to make one Olla. Want to participate in an easy, inexpensive project for Earth Day? Donate a completed Olla you've made at home. Here are 2 easy ways to make Ollas. These 2 designs are very simple. The Olla on the left, made with 2 pots, holds more water, but requires more steps than the Olla on the right. Most important part is plugging the hole on the bottom of the unglazed terracotta pot and testing to make sure it is leak-proof. We plugged ours with silicone and tack, but you can plug it with silicone and a flat rock, cement, or gluing a drain stopper to the bottom. We sealed both sides for extra security and tested the seal by filling the pot with water and leaving out for about an hour. If there is not any water leaking, your pot is sealed. If you're using 2 pots, use silicone or very strong glue to attach the plugged pot to an unplugged pot. We recommend silicone as it usually lasts longer than glue. For the 1-pot Olla with the saucer, simply plug the bottom hole and you're done. Please consider donating to FoodRight this Earth Day. It can be difficult and time-consuming to maintain school gardens over the summer when few are frequenting the building and trained to take care of a larger garden. Without an Olla or tons of rain, someone has to come to the school garden every day to water all summer long. With an Olla, watering can be cut back to once every 3 days or even up to once a week, depending on the size of the Olla. The unglazed terracotta is key. It is porous and will slowly let out water over several days, so the soil doesn't dry out as quickly. This also saves water in addition to tons of time. There are more videos on YouTube on household items you can use to make Olla pots. Check them out by searching DIY Olla and create an Olla with supplies you already have. DM or email us at youthchef@foodright.org with any questions. In-kind donations can be scheduled by texting us at 77222 to be dropped off at our offices. Thank you for your support of our programs in Milwaukee Public Schools. Happy Earth Day.